Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a follower on X. So the ability to remove a follower on X without blocking them is available only on X website. So you have to open your preferred browser and go to x.com page and sign in to your X account, of course. And now when you're here, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and enter your profile section. Now you want to tap on your profiles right here, and at the top go to followers section. Now from this list you need to find specific person that you want to remove as your follower and tap on their profile picture, which will redirect you to their profile. And now tap three-dot button and find option remove this follower. So this option is typically not found directly in the X mobile application, so again you have to do that using your website. So that's how you can remove a follower on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.